In this quick 2-minute OnShape tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this lampshade cone thing. We're going to start out by drawing a sketch on the top plane and using an inscribed polygon to create the hexagonal base. Here, I'm also going to put on a dimension so that everything is constrained, and for good practice, I'm going to give this sketch a name that I can find in the feature tree later. Now, for the top of this cone, I'm going to define a new plane, which is offset from the top plane by a specific distance. And again, give this a nice name so that I can find it in the feature tree later. Now I'm going to create a sketch on this plane that I just created, and again, using the inscribed polygon, drawing my shape, and giving it a dimension just so that it stays constrained. Finally, a name. And now we're ready to connect these two sketched faces. I'm going to do this by using the loft feature, which gives me a lot of control. I'll select both profiles, and using the start and end profile conditions, setting them to normal to profile, I'll get a nice smooth shape here. Again, give it a friendly name, and now we're almost done. Now I want to round off these edges, and I'm going to use the fillet tool to do that. So fillet and select an edge, and now I could manually select all 6 edges, but by right-clicking, going to select and equal length, OnShape will automatically select the other edges. Give it a nice name, and we're almost done. Now I'm going to use the shell command to transform this into a hollow object. If I didn't select the bottom face, this could also be a vase or a pot or something like that. But this way I'm going to give it a thickness, a name, and we're done. Now we've got a nice vase type shape that could be almost anything from a lampshade to a flower pot or whatever you want.